Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanessa Love, and I'm back with another video.
It's about to be lit.
You may have ended up on this video because you're going on a holiday and want a protective style, or you just want a new look, something that's quick and easy and you can do at home. I've been doing my passion twist in the crochet style for years because I am no expert at braiding or feeding or anything like that, and I always look for the easiest way for me to do my own hair. You know, these 300 pounds, these 400 pounds to be doing these hairstyles, I gotta learn at home. So in this video, I'm gonna give you the tea. I'm gonna show you how I achieve this passion twist, or is it distress passion twist or goddess passion twist? Whatever the case is, I added some curls. So I'm going to show you the hair that I used, how I did it, and how to use the crochet and rubber band method to achieve this look. If this is what you were looking for, you're going to want to keep watching. Oh, wait. You're unable to watch this video unless you subscribe to my channel. You can do so down there in 3, 2, 1. Okay, now you can watch the video. Thank you. I am going to use rat tail comb and edge brush. I'm gonna try this. If that doesn't work, I also have this and some lovlies.
So the hair I'll be using is a pre-twisted passion twist. The brand doesn't matter. You can get any brand pre-twisted passion twist hair from your nearest beauty shop. I got this in 12 inches, but I think I stretched it too much, so it turned out to be like 20 inches. And then for the curls, I got Water Wave in 22 inches. I think both these colors are number 30 because they match my hair the best. Okay, so first I'm going to start by adding some oil on the rubber bands that I'll be using. I think this should help reduce the friction from the dry rubber band on your hair. And I'm gonna get parting. So how I've done this is I part the entire row out and then add the rubber bands across the entire row before I start doing the twist. I think it just helps map out the hair a bit better, and in my head it just makes sense. It makes the process go faster. I don't know if that's true but it definitely would help me like know how much parts I'll have a row and how many twists I'm gonna need for that row. So this is not a feeding method, so I'll be using rubber bands to hold the twist in place that I'll then crochet into like that part later. This is not like a feeding directly from your hair kind of thing. I'm not good at that. So I'm just gonna say as well, when you're putting the rubber bands in, don't put them at the tightest just yet, because you'll need the crochet needle to go through that same part, and if you push it too tight, it's just gonna be too hard to get the needle through, and there's gonna be a lot of tension and all that. So you don't want to do that. So this is what one of my rows are looking like. I think at that part of the head is about 8 to 9 twists up there, 8 to 9 parts in that area. So I'm gonna get twisting now. I added one strand of curly hair to one of the twists. I made sure that the length of the hair is even before I put it in the crochet needle. So here we go. So I'm going to take the crochet needle first. Make sure that when you're pushing it through, the latch is closed. If it's open, it's just going to grab onto all parts of your hair. By the time it gets to the other side, it'll likely be pushed open from you pushing it through the part, but that's completely fine. That's what you want. If it's not open, just open it. Loop the hair around the open hook, close the latch, pull the hair back through the path it came from, and once it's through, you can remove the crochet needle and get to twisting, right? You're gonna pull one side through, so each side of the part has a strand, if that makes sense. You're trying to get a 2-strand. And this is where I like to tighten the rubber band once the extensions are in to make sure it's more neat. So all you have to do from here is really twist and start to pull out that curl. As I twist, I take a thin strand of curl out. I do this about 3 or 4 times for each twist. What I like to do as well is once I get to the end of where my hair is, I add some edge control there as well to make it blend a bit better so it's not as frizzy when I finish my twist. And that's it, really. So you twist, pull some curls out, twist again, pull some curls out again until you get to the end. Once I separate the curl from the twist, I like to put that curl in my mouth just so it's away. Just so it's away and not getting in the way of all the twists and getting mixed up and all of that. You can obviously use a clip as well to separate it, to just put it away so it doesn't get all caught up in everything. Because I'm not using human hair, it can get frizzy. I mean, human hair can get frizzy as well, but this is, I guess, more prone to frizziness. It can get really frizzy with all that manipulation. So what I do is just use a mousse to recurl it, to curl it up. This hair just add a little mousse and water, and I think it's good to go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I mean, so that's it. So let's do another one for good measure, and then I could speed through. Let me know if you're keeping up. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna go real close up now. Let's see what we're working with.
Okay, it was becoming very difficult to, and taking long too, to like part and twist each one. So I've just parted it all out now. The front, so this is the front. I'm actually really scared that I run out of hair. So you know the trick, like if you run out of hair, you could just catch it up and the middle hides. So I'm gonna leave the middle until last, to make sure I have enough hair to cover the whole style. So I'm gonna attack the front now.
And then I go in and add some finishing touches. I'm going back in with the mousse to put all over my head this time. This should help with a bit of flyaways from your natural hair, but also from the braiding hair, and kind of keep everything a bit more neat and fresh. You know, like even if you want to refresh the hair, adding mousse daily or like more frequently will help keeping it look fresh. And also the ends were a bit trashy when I finished. I definitely think it's because of the curling hair that I use, but I added mousse to kind of add curls back to it, and also cut any frizzy ends that were left over. And then the finishing touch for sure is oiling my scalp, making sure my scalp health is on a T. Okay, it's on a 10. So I added some oil to my scalp to keep it hydrated and not so dry. And I also have been using this oil every week on my hair and my scalp as well with this style.
And this is the finished look. This color is everything. It matches my complexion so well. I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm already experiencing the knots of this hair, which is the problem with every goddess style. So I'm gonna continue to use a foam or a mousse to daily to try to minimize the amount of knotting that happens with this style. But if you try this, let me know how it is, or if you have any tips for how to reduce the knotting, let me know, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.